every magnificent pearl begins its journey. Oysters are harvested after years of growth. Skilled workers handle each oyster with care. The transformation begins.
Within hours of harvesting, the pearl oysters arrive at the processing factory. Each shipment is unloaded, inspected, and transferred onto automated production is examined before entering the next stage.
With precision, technicians carefully open each oyster. Hidden within the tissue, every pearl is removed by hand. After extraction, every pearl undergoes a thorough cleaning process. Purified water and precision washing systems remove natural residue while protecting the pearl's delicate surface. Each pearl is carefully graded according to its size, shape, color, surface quality, and natural luster. Advanced optical systems work along.
Every premium pearl is drilled with microscopic precision. Diamond-tip drilling systems create a perfectly centered hole while protecting the pearl's delicate surface.
Perfectly matched pearls are transformed by skilled craftsmen. Each is carefully threaded or set into precious metal, creating timeless necklaces with natural beauty. Before leaving the factory, every piece of pearl jewelry undergoes a meticulous final inspection. Experts verify its beauty, durability, and craftsmanship. After passing every inspection, the world, carefully packaged and transported. Each piece with luxury stores, where nature's finest treasures are transformed